Dashboard Introduction. Today we will introduce filter. First, to choose the template, 1-to-1 template. Okay. And there are 5 kinds of filters on the left component panel. The text input filter, radio button filter, checkbox filter, common box filter, date field filter. First, we choose text input filter onto the designer. Okay, you can set the property in generic, the size and the location property. We input year in ID box and title, year, and the ID here is the only identifier can be recognized in system. So you just input year. And the default value we can set 2011. And the layout here means the title and the content box. Here, horizontal, vertical. Yeah. Okay. When the value of the filter refreshed, it will inform other components which use this filter, and the refreshed value will be read by the component. And the data source. We can select the default value from database, such as we build a query here. Select max year as year from product sold. Okay, and choose year as the query value in y-axis and apply. As we set the default value 2011 here before, so that you cannot see any change. That's plus 10 here and press apply. Now you can see 2021. The filter change. Welcome back to Flex Dashboard Introduction. Okay, next is radio button filter. We drag one to the designer and we can set the property in generic. Let's input quarter in ID box and input quarter in title. The default value here means which choice will be selected. Like we input 2, so you can see the second choice was being selected. Okay, the delimiter. If the default value has been changed, you can set the delimiter on both sides of the new value which transfer to other component. Like you can insert double quotation marks and single quotation marks. And the layout also horizontal and vertical, same as before. The data source. We can choose JNDI and the sample data here and select input our query like select extinct quarter from product sold year equal 2011, and we select the quarter in x-axis, and it is the content in filter, and input the quarter in y-axis. Now we just apply, and the value appears when you select the choice. Okay, if you want to change, I want to make the quarter value here by year, like you can choose 2011 and all other years. You can change inquiry here, delete 2011, and input a variable value here, year by yearly. So year here is the variable value. Now the value will appear here under the y-axis, and you choose here and press apply. Okay, next is radio button filter.